Alcatraz of Anatolia, Historical Sinop Prison. The historical Sinop Prison, which hosts the unique view of Sinop, is one of the most important historical buildings in Turkey, with its 4,000-year history and the sad stories it contains. This magnificent castle, once known as the Alcatraz of Anatolia, is now open to visitors as a museum and attracts thousands of tourists every year. Founded as a colony by the Milesians in the 7th century BC, Sinop has hosted many civilizations throughout its history. The first construction of Sinop Castle dates back to these periods. The inner part of the castle began to be used as a dungeon during the Seljuk period. This building, which was converted into a modern prison by the Ottoman Empire in the 19th century, also served as a prison after the establishment of the Republic of Turkey. Historical Sinop Prison is known as one of the toughest prisons in Turkey, with its harsh conditions and isolated location. Many important figures from different political views remained captive in this prison. Despite the difficult conditions in prison, prisoners managed to produce works in fields such as painting, music and literature. Sinop Prison, which was closed in 1997, was converted into a museum in 2000. In the museum, visitors can learn about the history of the prison and what happened there, and visit the cells and wards used by the prisoners. The museum also exhibits photographs, letters and various objects from the period. If you are planning to visit the historical Sinop Prison, keep in mind that the museum is closed on Mondays.